How you doing over here, bro?
Pretty good. Give me 1 second.
Good? How you doing?
Good.
Well, I see you took care of all this, huh?
I sure did.
Nice. It's all
Well,
welded
the outside
in.
of the car is completely...
No, it's not good. A long way to go.
Yo, the way it was and the way it is the same
You
way.
got a long way to go. Hey, you didn't get much distortion out of this at
No.
all. Nothing. Almost nothing. Look at that. What, you got a special way to do it? That somebody taught you. All right, so what's next? I can see. Show me what you're doing in here.
Well, if you look in here, this cross member's rotted, right?
I can see that.
Over here, you gotta fix that.
You're going to position this floor in place. That's the front half is tack welded.
Tack. We'll weld everything all at once. By Monday, I would like to have these floors done.
Yeah, right. You might find another shattered mess as you're working on it. That's what's been happening. Well, all right. Position that in place. Come show me. At least we can show what we did for this week. All right? There you go. Zap, what are you doing?
I'm working on the Pontiac. I got a problem.
You got far with this thing, by the way.
I know. I got it in primer. It's working out.
Did a lot of filler work.
Yeah.
So what's the problem?
I got a problem. See this? See
It's
that?
baggy. That's what I call
Now.
it. You got a cross member under there?
Yes. That's what these lines are going this way.
Okay,
See?
yeah.
So, I need to be able to weld this while this is being pushed down. So,
Yeah, I'll help you. I'll push it.
no, I'm going to try to be independent.
Independent. What are you gonna do?
I got an idea. Come with me. Check this out.
What are you gonna do with all this?
For this project, I got a threaded rod, which Dorman makes.
Right.
All different sizes.
What are you gonna
Just
do?
some.
What are you gonna do?
I need threaded rod, nuts, and a pipe. So, you know what this is for?
Yeah, I know what that's for.
For rich people, give me a cigar.
Don't touch the hair. And don't touch the cigar.
Give me the cigar. Give me the cigar.
Never.
You know how rich people have like a cigar holder?
Oh.
Ah.
Teas and cracker. Teas and cracker. Get some crimpets and go play cricket. Yeah.
You gotta modify this.
Right, knock it out. Let's see what you got.
So,
And this is to push down a floor pan?
basically, yeah.
All right, knock it out. Let's
All
see.
right.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yo, what are you doing? It's like a sword, like a sword. Let's go after the cameraman. God, what? You give me attitude because you're all good looking? All right.
The cameraman's upset, alright, because she can't find the Trans Am. So if you guys have a 79 or an 80 or an 81 Trans Am, let her know.
Keep smiling, Leroy. That's called dancing the samba. Good for you. Your first lesson.
One on my ankle.
Your first lesson of dancing the samba.
It's a little harder to weld because it's galvanized, but it'll work.
What are you doing?
I'll give you a hint. When
the moon hits your eye like the pizza pie, get away from me.
Man, galvanized sucks. Okay, now.
What's galvanized?
Both pieces of pipe.
Oh, okay.
Both. Well, here's what I got. Obviously, I'm gonna grind it to make it look nicer. But I got an old rubber snubber that I had laying around from a broken tool.
Right.
And I'm gonna put on this end.
Right.
Right. And you know what this is gonna do?
What?
When you turn this, it extends.
Okay. Yeah. It gets.
And when I go to the floor, what's gonna happen is it's gonna push down on the floor pan, and I can just weld it all in one shot.
Beautiful. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
And if it's under the dash and you don't want to damage anything,
right. Yeah. You put the rubber snubber.
There you go.
Okay. Cool. Sounds good.
Right.
So you made this out of.
So I made this out of junk pipe I had laying around.
Right.
A Dorman threaded rod.
Right.
Dorman nuts, and that's about it.
And just junk pipe. You scrap pieces of pipe.
Exactly.
All right. Let's see it work. Shall we go look?
Let's take a look.
So you're saying, Giuseppe, you want to take this slack out, but you want to keep pushing down so you can weld spot weld.
Exactly.
Let's do it.
So this, unscrew. See? Right now, this jack I made is pushing down onto the floor. This way the floor touches the cross member underneath, and I can weld the spot weld. See the cross member under there?
So it's not like a lot of weight that you're talking about pushing down. Just awkward to push down. Weld, beam, back, up, down, left, right.
Exactly.
This way, this is holding everything in place. You can concentrate on your weld. That's it. Move the helmet up and down. There's a lot of stuff.
Exactly. You
All
just
right, cool,
put
bro.
this, let it do its thing, and all you have to do is focus on welding it good.
Welding what?
Welding it good.
Oh, welding it good. All right, sounds good, pal.
There's only one more thing left to say.
Yeah, there is, isn't there?
But that's not on me.
Yeah, but I don't have room.
Well, let's get out then. We gotta get out.
All right, you're all set? Weld it in. Let's finish that. Then we'll turn the car back around on your frame machine so you can do the filler work, which looks beautiful, by the way.
Yes.
Turn it back around, do the other side.
But the only thing that's gonna happen when you turn it around, deja vu. Angry. Angry.
Taking over the world. Was that all right?
What?
I messed you all up, didn't
What's
I?
in the Jackson? Fabricating.
I messed you all up, didn't you? I'm done with you. I'm done with it.